Raise your hand if you are ready to make a shirt. Let's do it. We're gonna make this super simple shirt, hand sewing only, using the materials in your Dumyé DIY Doll kit. You'll need some scissors, and then open up that Dumyé DIY Doll kit, pick out your favorite fabric, some thread, needles, and then pop out the shirt pattern from your giant activity poster. I want you to take your shirt pattern and flip it over and have a look. You'll see that it's a folded fabric. You cut along the pattern, you're gonna stitch under the arms and down the side, and then you'll flip the fabric right side out so that the pattern's on the outside and all those stitches are hidden on the inside. So I'm gonna take the fabric. Right now it's folded in half, but I don't need all this fabric to make a shirt. So to save material, so I have extra fabric to use on something else, I am going to just use what I absolutely need. See that? There we go. That's pretty good. And to make the cutting easier, I'm just gonna cut this. Now you wanna keep this fold, do you see the fold, up on the top. So that way, here, you won't have to sew. Be conscious of that, okay? Now let's cut. And then you're gonna cut here, which is the hole for the head. And look at that, you are on your way to making a shirt. Now that you've cut out your shirt, you're gonna open it up. See what that looks like? And then you're gonna fold it back again, but with the pattern on the outside so that we can do your stitches that will all be on the inside of your shirt. Now to stitch the shirt together, we're gonna do a straight stitch from here to here and here to here on both sides of the shirt, right? If you don't know how to do a straight stitch, be sure to go back and watch our basic stitching video. You can put me on pause, go practice the stitches, and then come back. I will be waiting for you. When you are stitching the seams of your shirt, you want to make your stitches a little bit on the smaller side, so that way when you flip it right side out, the fabric doesn't pucker. Now before you flip your shirt right side out, I want you to do a little trick. I want you to take your scissors and do a tiny snip in the corners under the arms, because sometimes when you flip it, it gets a little tight underneath. So this just helps it not gather too much. So there we go, this is done. Are you guys ready for the magical moment? It's coming, it's coming. And there is our shirt. I wish my friend Gita was here. Oh, Gita, hi! Thank you so much for coming. I'm so excited for you to try on this shirt we just made. Okay. Gita, what are you thinking? How do you feel? You look great in our animal heads print. Really you do. What do you think? I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, yeah. If you enjoyed making that shirt with our Dumyé DIY Doll Kit, be sure to check out the rest of our clothing tutorials and head to dumyé.com to see other inspiration.